What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We are out here in paradise. That is trout fishing in southeast Minnesota. That's right. It's a bit too cold for catfish, carp, all that good stuff. So I figured, hey, you know what? Why don't I take out this little spinner here and go after trout? Rainbow, brook, brown, I don't really care. As long as it's called a trout, we're going after it. I'm out here at a random creek. I found it on Google Maps. It's a dedicated trout stream. We're within regulation. So let's see what happens. Let's freaking go. They're swiping it. I think it's a little bit tough when it's, obviously, when you're working with barbless single hook, but when they take those chomps, it's really hard to get that hook in place for them to get actually hooked. A lot of them in here. I can see them swirling and jumping, and definitely in here. Oh, I really wasn't even expecting to catch a fish, and it came up out of nowhere and swiped it. God, oh. That was a nice fish. Come on, let's see if he'll bite again. And I'm hoping with this barbless hook deal. Got him. Got him. Oh, there he goes. Beautiful. Slippery. All right, buddy. Where'd you go? Oh. Nice. I can't get enough of that spoon. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, buddy. I think I hit that one on the fall. Interesting. Oh, wow, that was cool. He jumped out of the water. Holy moly. The boogers are hungry. So aggressive. Making my way back downstream here. I'm on a little bit of a time crunch today. So unfortunately, I don't really have a lot of time here to finish out. But I figured on the way back, I would make a couple casts here. See if anyone else wants to bite on my good old little spoon. That was a giant. That was a giant. That was probably going to be the biggest of the day right there. Wasn't even paying attention, I was looking around. Bummer. That was one of those bites where you feel a hit and it feels like you got snagged, but it's not a snag. Problem is you don't really have a lot of chances to bring them out. After they go after it, usually it's pretty much a done deal. Oh, got one. Oh, okay. Get my hand wet. Make sure I don't hurt this fish. Absolutely gorgeous. That beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I wanted that spoon bad. Got hooked. Back in she goes. See you later. Oh, he nipped it. Got him. Oh. There we go. Another one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. When you're on a time crunch like I am today, you don't really have a lot of time to fish. A spoon is a perfect lure because you can cover a lot of water really quick. I mean, you guys can see I'm moving. Giving it a couple casts. If I'm not getting any bites, I'm on my way. Up and down this bank. If I had like a plastic grub or something that was more of a slow moving bait, there's no way I'd ever be able to cover as much shoreline as I am now. And just about anything eats a spinner too. So depending on the body of water you're in, if you have multiple species in a creek, lake, or river, wherever you might be, a little spoon will catch just about anything. I've caught carp, catfish, bluegill, bass, crappie, anything you can think of, really. I've caught on a spoon. Got him. Come off. Boom. Beautiful fish. Get my hand wet here. Oh, that might have been a mistake. A little muddy. Look good. Oh, that's a gorgeous, gorgeous fish. All right, buddy. Take care. Ew. Anybody want a dead turkey? Nasty. Got him. Ooh, I think that's a rainbow. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a brook trout. Oh, these are gorgeous fish. Hold on. Let me get my hand wet here. Oh, you guys have to see this bad boy. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous fish. He wanted that spoon really bad. These brook trout are absolutely beautiful. Look at those colors. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I am freezing. I'm gonna get back in my truck here and head back for town, but what an awesome, awesome creek. That's the beauty of finding new spots, is sometimes you go and you skunk, and sometimes you go and you have a lot of fun and you catch fish. So I highly, highly recommend it. If you guys find spots, don't be afraid to check them out and go catch some fish. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace!